Hey everybody, I am working on the van. So, parked here at my son's house, having Easter with family, part of family. But anyway, yeah, I went out, had a nice breakfast, came home, put my bathing suit on because it's like 70 something degrees. Yeah. So, and I'm working on the van. So, I'll show you what I did. Stay tuned. It's not much, but it's a little bit every day, a little bit every day. Watch and see my things. They're not really big, but they're big to me. And tomorrow, Monday, I'm going to go and get my dashboard fixed at the Ford dealer. Yeah, I'm going right to the Ford dealer. Yes, and the RV place is paying for it. So, I'll let you know how that goes. Hope you're having a great Easter.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So today I decided to tackle a really heavy duty job, even though it's beautiful out, 73, 74 degrees. Oh, gorgeous. Yep, I put the reflectix on my roof. It's a big job, it really is. And I got most of it done, more than half, but still a lot to do and reorganize some things in the van. But I decided to enjoy the day. So I'm taking Danny for a walk.
Sketch.
What are you doing, Danny? You've peed everywhere, so what are you doing? She says, I'm going to pee here too. Okay, let's go.
Oh, look at here, Mom. Another one of those things that I pee on. Do I want to pee on it? How many people peed on this first? I don't want to pee where somebody else has peed before. Come on, Mom. Hurry up because there's more. Look there's two more up there, Mom. Look at them. Zoom in, Mom. Two more for me to smell. Two more of them orange things, Mom. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, chop, chop. Where are you going?
I'm coming. Come on. Up, stop. Sit. Good girl. Let's look both ways. Wait, here comes a car. Hold on. You're such a good girl. I can't believe you remember. Because this is in the desert. Good job. Okay. She said, okay, I can cross now. Come on. old-fashioned tree house. Have a great day.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.